just uploaded a video on order blocks and explaining the trade that I'm in currently. That video, I did use a new software and the mouse didn't really show up. So after I made that video, I actually did show my team on a live analysis. And I went over the two trades I'm in, which was one of them. So I went over that really quick. So you guys can watch this video of the live analysis recording of that same scenario. But I am keeping the other one up because it can be kind of good practice for those people are familiar and to challenge themselves to follow along. So I'm going to keep that video up. But if you need more help or more detail, hopefully you get some from this live analysis video. So I hope you guys, it's Tuesday already. I hope you guys already tapped into the other two recordings. Again, sorry for yesterday's background noises and doing a Zoom call in the middle of a construction site. But nevertheless, the information was there, as well as Motivation Monday and actually applying those things. So it's going to be a live analysis. If you paid attention to the group chat, I am in these two trades. CJ, is it CJ? Yeah, so CJ just got uploaded. So once this call's done, I just have to make it public. So there's going to be more detail on this one. And I'll put some detail on this one as well. So I'll go over these quickly because this is live analysis and not an OB training, and there is a video on this. But if you guys want me to break it down anymore, I can. But honestly, I filmed this video in 10 minutes, and honestly, it was pretty easy. Like, this was a pretty clean scenario for me. So let me just go to right here. I'll go through USD CAD a little bit slower and maybe upload it because I already literally just did this right now. Okay, cool. Okay, drop a 2 if you guys can hear me fine and see my screen before I start. So this was pretty much Sunday night, right? So look, 10th and then opened, right? So I don't know exactly, but I know there was an OB. So again, I just did this on my video. So I'll do this one real quick, go through USD CAD a little bit slower. 4-hour time frame. I looked at some order flow, or sorry, structure. That's obviously a low. This low is important, so I'm just gonna make it orange from now. Okay, so that's the order flow. So first it was, I don't know, because this is up and then it like broke here. This is all the way from August. So like, okay. A little bit showing down structure, but not really sure. So, okay, cool. 2-hour time frame. Okay, this is the low. We break this high. And within here, we got high, low, high, low, high, right? Okay, cool. So right now, clearly we broke this low and this low. Okay, so let me see the structure over here. So I went down to the 1 hour. So this is a higher time frame trade. So I said, okay, high, low, high, low, and then lower high. So as of right now with price action, we have down structure. And this down structure to me wasn't just a deep pullback because we took out this major low on the 4-hour. Okay, so this is where people get confused because if you go, someone might be like, oh, it's up structure now. But what's the higher time frame structure? We broke higher time frame structure. So now we can commit to the down structure, right? It's not like I was just in here and I was like, okay, well, let me just buy it up. I don't know if that makes sense. So let's go over it, okay? So now officially, this is the 4-hour structure, right? Sometimes you guys have to predict the future. I don't like using that word, but predict. So if I just broke this, that means the new structure for the higher time frame will make this happen. Okay, so this is higher time frame structure. We broke it, boom, pullback, boom, etc. So now it's down structure. Okay, now another part of that, at first, I was nervous because we didn't break this structure. But then I realized, like I said, we did break the 4 hour here. So this was the low to give me my order flow. So cool, down, and I have this pullback. Okay, so now I need to sell high. Now I need to sell. So on the 2 hour, I was like, okay, there's an order block. 50%, I used my tool. I'm not gonna go get it right now. I'm gonna go to chat box in a second. Okay, cool. So then I'm watching price just not break this low. So for me, I am getting that complex pullback. It's telling me, like, if this is this is already the retracement, right? This is already 50%. I already measured it. I'll do it again for you guys. This is 50%. It's actually 618. Okay, boom, 618. So I need you to sell because that's what you want to do. But we didn't break this low. So I was like, okay, so I'm going to get a complex pullback. If you don't really know what a complex pullback is, read the Wyckoff book, but all it means is like a tiny pullback within the pullback. So I know we didn't get enough gas yet to break this low, okay? So I expected us to slingshot into here, meaning come up, close positions within the order block, use it as your area to launch the rocket, to break or to continue this low. And that's pretty much what happened. Okay. So that's pretty much what happened. And it was a 1, 2, why is that risk reward look like that? Whoa. It was a, oh, I didn't use my 50%. Guys, my stop loss was 6.6. And then even my video was a 7. Something like that. And it was like a 9.86. Okay, so let me answer the question in the chat box. This one, again, I literally just uploaded the video. So I want to move on to USD CAD and have that conversation more so with you guys. Just had an aha moment. Perfect. This has been very helpful thus far. Perfect. Yeah, I thought this was pretty actually amazing, this one itself. So definitely save this one on YouTube. I think it was really clean, especially the fact that it was higher structure. And there wasn't too much confusion, right? Because when you're on the lower time frame, you can flip to the 1, 5, 2, and 10 and just get confused. The 4 hour, there's not a lot of confusion. So yeah, collect the partials. I'm still in this. I have some alerts to break this low, etc. KJ. Okay. So I have an alert at the low. So for when we break it. So super excited for that. Let's go to USD CAD.